What's going on, Box Chevy family? Back again with another video. This time I'm out here getting it together on this car, trying to get this suspension done. I got one side done, working on this side. This side is already done. You can see how stiff it's sitting. That's already lifted, baby. I did that side, so now I'm finna get to this other side and we should be good to go. I actually had my buddy come over here, one of my buddies from a while back. He used to work on cars. He's an older dude. He attempted to put the spring on. I was going to pay him to do it because I didn't even feel like doing it. And to be honest, I never did springs, but of course it's not nothing that you can't do. It's simple. You get the compressor. I bought the spring compressor, all that good shit, and thought it'd be an easy job for him. And he ended up pulling it apart and couldn't get the damn spring in there. I came right out here and got the spring right up in there and got everything put back together. So that's what I get for calling people. So I ain't even worried about that. But this other side, that's the other spring there. Gonna get that done, man, and then we should be good to go. Let's see what we got. Y'all hear me grin when I bend over. Y'all know I'm fat. Bear with me. It's fat people problems. This makes the job so much easier. Got this from Harbor Freight. Tire off. I love how wide them tires is. Them 275 60 15s. Look so good. Them all brand new all the way around. But anyway, yeah, I got the tire off now. Now I need to get the this rotor moved out the way. So let me get this shit took apart. So got it bust down. See that power steering fluid? I need to change this pump out because it's making a loud vibrate noise. But that fluid is out there because I turned the wheel and it some fluid shot out the reservoir when I was turning the wheel with the car off. So there's some pressure. It might just be air in them lines. I might want to try that. I'm gonna try that before I go buy another pump. Yeah, I tried it the other day, but I might not have turned it enough because you see fluid shooting out, so that means it's air coming out of there. There's some air up in there somewhere. If fluid is coming out of the reservoir. But yeah, I got everything apart now. It's the old spring, new one, as y'all seen earlier. Tires, we finna get it going. I'm gonna get this one compressed right quick. I got the little compressor. I'm finna compress everything and let me get back. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Hope that's a decent camera angle. I'm just compressing the spring. So yeah, now we finna get working on this power steering pump. Got my little pulley set right here off Amazon. See how good that worked. It was only like 20 bucks or something like that. So I got that. New reservoir with the pump on it already. Make the job a little bit easier. So a little more power steering fluid for the refill. I'm gonna drain all that old fluid up out of here. So let's get working. Let's get to it. That power steering pump is out of there. Unscrewed everything, got him out of the way. As you can see. Now we're gonna put all the fittings on this one and we're gonna get it installed. Let's go. Back. We got that joint, we got all the old parts back on the new one. With the hoses, this is a brand new hose, as I told y'all. This was brand new as well. That's the part number in case anybody needed it. Didn't come with a cap, so I guess I had to reuse the old one until I just order a new one. But yeah, man, we finna get this thing back in here. We're gonna see if this fixed that issue. And press it on here. These socket come in handy. I gotta get that locked up. Excuse this camera, man. I'm working with one hand, trying to bring you on this journey with me, man. Hang in there. Okay. It's just about there. We're gonna get these lined up. Get these two lined up. So I'm gonna finish cranking this on. As you see, I'm having trouble with one hand, so I'm gonna finish cranking that on. Cut y'all back on. Just put fluid in there. As you can see, brand new one. The other one was right there. So let's see. Pulley, everything look pretty flush. Let's crank. Keep our fingers crossed. The steering was tight as hell. Hear nothing. Oh yeah. Yep, that did it. Cause I couldn't even turn. Let me see. Yep. See, when I turn the wheel fully, it'll make a loud cracking noise. I can turn the wheel fully now. Oh yeah, he good. Yes, sir. We got him up there. He's stuck there, baby. You can see that difference though, especially from the driver's side. Cause that thing was sagging like crazy. You can see that stiffness in the front end. I could have put some spacers in there, but I didn't want no stiff ride in there. I wanted it to sit up and still have that adjustment once I hit a bump. You know, I didn't want no stiff ass ride. Now I gotta do the back. I did shocks and springs on the front, by the way, too. I know I didn't mention that in my earlier video. I mean, an earlier clip, but yeah, I put brand new Gabrielle shocks on here too. So I just did both of the shocks and the springs at the same time. Yeah. Another look at that mirror. That billet joint. Yeet! Don't worry about that. I'm in Milwaukee. You know you need that. And yes, mine legal. I got permits for all my pistols. Well, I got one permit, but it covers all my guns. Yes, sir. But yeah, we good to go now. So catch y'all on the next one, man. We out of here. Peace. That's baby mom's drive.